So here, just below the greenhouse, right? Oh, and there's our polyaltheo there. You look, standing up above here. There's a little kind of pond where aquatic plants are grown, which is useful. And now I'm glad I designed it like this. One of the plants that is on your list, which I want to point out, is this rather fantastic canna, C-A-N-N-A. Now that is a canna called Bengal Tiger, obviously, because it's got these fantastic striped leaves. But then let's have a look. There's a few other canna in the background. Now these are usually much in the middle of your picture there. That is canna indica, which has got kind of a yellow flowered version. They're usually red, right? But then they're grown for these rather magnificent foliage and these glorious sort of flag-like flowers. Canna indica. Usually red. In English, called Indian shot for some reason. And here we see it actually growing in the water, just in the top. You see it's growing in a pot, right? It's actually growing. It's restricted into a pot. This is not a natural pond. The whole thing is a concrete construction. So the soil is contained in the pot, and the pot is placed into the water, and it looks like the base is maybe just 25 or 50 millimeters below the surface of the water. So it can grow out of water, but it needs a lot of watering. There's another one over here, this with rather splendid yellow flowers. We can get a closer view. Look. Okay, so that's your canna indica. I mean, it's magnificent. It's not a shrub. It can't grow woody stems. It's a herbaceous thing, really, and just about an aquatic. So it can grow in very, very, very shallow water, right at the edge of the water, in just like an inch deep of water. Or it can grow out of the water, but useless in a windy place. Obviously, it just gets blown to pieces, and it really does need a wet. It needs a lot of watering if it's not actually planted in the water as we see it here. Canna indica.